In the world of design and luxury, there is a constant debate between what is trendy and what is timeless. Trends come and go. What's popular this year might be outdated the next. But true elegance, real sophistication, always rests on timeless materials and textures. Think about the feeling of walking into a space adorned with marble floors, solid wood furniture, or a cashmere throw draped effortlessly across a leather sofa. These are not just design elements. They are experiences that connect us with history, craftsmanship, and beauty that never fades. Today, we are diving deep into the elegance of timeless materials and textures, and why they continue to define luxury and refinement across centuries. When you hear the word timeless, what comes to mind? For most, it means something that never goes out of style. But in design, timelessness is more than just longevity. It is about quality, authenticity, and the ability of a material or texture to evoke emotion no matter the era. For centuries, civilizations have relied on certain natural elements, stone, wood, metals, and fabrics, not just for utility, but for their unmatched beauty. Marble temples, wooden castles, silk garments, and gold ornaments, these materials have been cherished since the dawn of culture. They carry within them stories of artistry, tradition, and permanence. Let's begin with one of the most iconic timeless materials, marble. Marble is a symbol of refinement and strength. From the Parthenon in Athens to the Taj Mahal in India, marble has been the foundation of great architecture for thousands of years. Even today, in modern homes, marble countertops, bathrooms, and flooring instantly elevate a space. What makes marble timeless is not just its beauty but its uniqueness. No two slabs are ever the same. The veining tells a story, random, natural, and unrepeatable. This individuality ensures that marble never feels mass-produced or artificial. It connects us with nature, yet fits seamlessly into modern design. Next, let's look at wood. Wood is perhaps the most versatile and beloved of all timeless materials. From rustic cabins to luxury penthouses, wood creates warmth, character, and an organic connection. Oak, walnut, teak, and mahogany, each has its own personality, its own story. The grain, the texture, the scent of wood add depth to a space in ways synthetic materials can't replicate. In 2025, sustainability has become an important part of design, and reclaimed wood is playing a major role. The idea of giving old wood new life not only adds character but also speaks to responsibility and respect for resources. A wooden floor, a handcrafted dining table, or even exposed wooden beams, they all ground us in tradition while remaining eternally stylish. Another timeless material is leather. There's something about leather that simply exudes luxury. Whether it's a well-worn leather armchair or a sleek modern sofa, leather adapts to its environment. It ages gracefully, developing a patina that tells its own story over time. Unlike fabrics that wear out, leather becomes richer and more beautiful with age. In fashion, leather has been a staple for centuries. Boots, jackets, belts, and bags made of genuine leather always command respect. It's tactile, it's durable, and it carries an aura of sophistication that never diminishes. Now, let's move to metal. Gold, silver, brass, and bronze have always symbolized wealth and refinement. These metals have adorned palaces, jewelry, and sacred artifacts throughout history. In modern interiors, metals provide a touch of elegance without overwhelming a space. A brass lamp, a bronze sculpture, or even subtle metallic accents in furniture add depth and shine. Stainless steel, though more contemporary, has also become timeless in its own way, representing sleekness and durability. Metal, when used thoughtfully, bridges the gap between tradition and innovation. When it comes to textiles, natural fabrics like silk, linen, wool, and cashmere stand out as timeless. Silk has been treasured for centuries, not just for its sheen but for its delicate strength. Wool and cashmere bring comfort and warmth, while linen offers breathability and effortless elegance. These materials appeal not only to the eyes but also to the sense of touch. Texture is an often overlooked element in design, yet it plays a powerful role in how a space feels. Running your hand across smooth silk, rough linen, or soft cashmere creates a sensory connection that goes beyond visuals. It is the textures that make timeless materials feel alive. One fascinating aspect of timeless materials is how they adapt to modern design without losing their essence. For example, marble can be polished for a contemporary look or left matte for a rustic finish. Wood can be stained dark for sophistication or left natural for minimalism. Linen can appear formal in drapes yet casual on a throw pillow. This adaptability ensures that timeless materials never feel stuck in the past. Instead, they evolve with the present while carrying their heritage forward. But timelessness isn't just about individual materials. It's about the harmony they create together. Picture a modern living room with marble flooring, a walnut coffee table, a leather sofa, and a cashmere throw. None of these elements shout for attention on their own, yet together they create a symphony of elegance. The mix of hard and soft, smooth and textured, warm and cool creates balance, a hallmark of timeless design. Trends might favor certain colors or shapes, but balance, harmony, and authenticity will always feel elegant. In 2025, minimalism and sustainability are influencing design heavily, but even these modern movements lean on timeless materials. Minimalism often celebrates natural elements like stone and wood, stripped of excess decoration. Sustainability pushes us toward durable materials that last for decades, rather than synthetic options that wear out quickly. Timeless materials align with these values naturally. They are built to last, to be appreciated, and to be passed down. A marble countertop, a solid wood table, or a wool rug isn't something you replace every few years, they're investments in quality and longevity. Another reason timeless materials endure is emotional connection. Think about a wooden rocking chair passed down through generations, or a leather journal that carries memories of travel. These materials age with us, becoming part of our stories. Unlike synthetic alternatives that deteriorate and get thrown away, timeless materials become richer with history. They remind us that true luxury is not about constant replacement but about lasting value. Of course, timeless doesn't mean boring. There is still room for creativity. For example, pairing marble with matte black fixtures creates a dramatic modern contrast. Combining linen with metallic accents gives a room understated glamour. Layering different textures, like wool, silk, and leather, creates depth and sophistication. The artistry lies in knowing how to combine timeless elements in ways that feel fresh and contemporary. When it comes to fashion, timeless materials play just as important a role. A cashmere sweater, a leather handbag, or a silk scarf never goes out of style. These pieces can be worn for decades, often becoming signature items in a wardrobe. In contrast, trendy fabrics or fast fashion items lose relevance quickly. In 2025, as consumers become more conscious of sustainability and longevity, there is a growing return to investing in fewer but higher quality pieces. Fashion, like interior design, is rediscovering the elegance of materials that stand the test of time. The psychology of timelessness is also worth noting. Humans are naturally drawn to things that feel stable, authentic, and natural. Stone, wood, and metal connect us to the earth. Wool, linen, and silk connect us to nature's bounty. In an increasingly digital and artificial world, these tangible connections are more valuable than ever. That's why walking into a space filled with timeless textures feels grounding and calming. It's a reminder that true beauty is found in simplicity and authenticity. At its core, the elegance of timeless materials and textures lies in their ability to transcend trends. They speak a universal language of quality and beauty that anyone, in any era, can understand. Whether it's a Roman marble statue, a Victorian oak table, or a modern leather sofa, the appreciation is the same. These materials remind us that design is not just about what looks good today but about what will still feel meaningful tomorrow. As we move further into 2025 and beyond, the design world will continue to evolve. New technologies will create futuristic styles, and trends will rise and fall. But timeless materials will remain the foundation of elegance. They are not just elements of design, they are a philosophy. A belief that true beauty is not fleeting but enduring. That luxury is not about extravagance but about authenticity. And that elegance is not about impressing others but about surrounding ourselves with things that connect us to nature, history, and ourselves. So the next time you step into a home, a boutique, or even your own living space, pay attention to the materials around you. Feel the texture of wood beneath your hand, notice the veins in marble, run your fingers across linen, or sink into the comfort of leather. These are not just materials, they are stories, experiences, and legacies. That is the elegance of timeless materials and textures, and that is why they will never fade.